Okay, thank you.
So but we were executing this. You can see screen. Can you see screen? No.
No, we are not.
Okay, you can see the screen, right? So let's repeat this. That we were doing some back testing with 1 day data. It's not good. So this is not the number. Let's test with this with the start and end. Where is start and end? Okay, with a different time frame. Okay, let's start from 07. Any case, because there are, if you see, if I download data again, I have to calculate everything and run one by one, cell, right? Instead of this, you select this cell, the present cell which you wanted to run, and if you go to runtime, you have run after. So it will run from this to all below steps, it will run automatically. The first one is you have run all. From the beginning, if you want to rerun, you can run all. Okay. So I'll do the run after. I don't want to run one by one again. So it runs automatically all the steps. It runs everything, this code block, downtrend. So I don't want to see this big print statement. So I clear this output. Let's see the gain and loss ratio. So totally it had 57 trades and 0.03% loss. This is strategy is. Okay. Now let's change the time frame. Sir, I cannot do this manually every time. Which time frame is best? Correct? I cannot do this every time. How do I do it? I'll tell you this. Everything I'll tell you. Okay. Run after. Go and see. See, I'm not going to run every time, manually each and every step. I don't want to see this. Now see this. See, it is 2% profitable in 15 minutes time frame. Okay. Gain or loss ratio. You can see average gain is 3%, average loss is 0. Minus max returns is 3%, max loss is 0.812. Okay, these statistics are not true. Okay, I'm not encouraging any. I'm not marketing any here the strategy. I'm just explaining how to do this. So let's consider you wanted to do this with 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour. How many times you will come and change it? Okay, you cannot do this, right? So if you wanted to repeat any block of code for several times, we create a function in Python. Okay, I will leave this code as it is, and I'll create a new code part here. Okay, text. Okay, backtesting with different time frames. How do I do? Let's define a time frames. Okay, time frame time frames equal to list. What is the time frame? 1 minute. I don't want 5 minutes. You can try with 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I think 1 hour is correct. 1 hour. Somebody sent me a message. Check. 13 minutes. So, okay, I'll try 13 minutes. Somebody is looking for 13 minutes. 30 minutes. Okay, time frames. Then we want to do this for every time frame, right? So, what I explained, you have to use a for loop for time frame. or you just write TF. Okay, you can write anything in from time frames. Okay, time frames, every time frame. Just print it whether it's it's correct or not. Print TF. Okay, it will execute for 1, 5, 10, 15 minutes. Okay, but where is my data? Go back, go back, and get this, get this, and put it here. Everything which you have written above have to put in this place. That's it. So it will execute for every this time frame. Now will come here. Previously it was fixed. Now it is not fixed. Okay. Admit. Next, I have to copy complete code block from here to there. Just bear with me. I'll copy, because I don't want to disturb this notebook, because somebody who is coming later, they need to understand. So I'll keep it as it is above, and I'll do this. Okay. Then what next? I calculated SMA, and this is the logic. I don't want to print the statement uptrend, downtrend every time. So I'll comment this for now, because we are testing for different time frames. So it will print long statements. Print. Comment if you use a hash symbol, it will comment it. Or I'll just print the buying and selling. I'll uncomment the print uptrend, downtrend. I don't want to print this. That's it. Okay. Same code, no change. I'm just commenting these two parts. Okay. What else is there here? This block we copied, and this block I want now. Just copy. Later you have so many things, you can export this data to Excel. You can do everything, okay? But not in one day. You'll get confused. So this is the statistics part. I think two people are joined just now. I'm just repeating the same what we did for the 15 minutes time frame, single time, backtesting. I'm doing for different time frames. Okay. Actually, we can write a functions, but I don't want you guys to confuse what is function and like this. Okay? That's why I write in a very simple manner this code. Once you are familiar, you can write function and everything. Let's test this code. So I wanted to print the symbol name also, so that I know this profitably for which time frame, right? Print time frame here. Print time frame. We know we have to use a format, string format, and print the time frame. I'll print here starts to clearly understand this is the beginning of the strategy testing into 20 times, because it will print a lot of statements. Now I execute it. That's it. I didn't do anything. I just copy pasted the same block of code, but I'm running for all time frames. There is something problem here. If it any error, it will display. What is the error? Invalid input. 10 minutes is not supported. Valid intervals are, see, 10 minutes is not supported. Only this data is available with Yahoo. Okay. Whatever I'm explaining, the same thing with zero, the back testing and everything. Just the different is only how to get the data from zero. That's it. Once you have a data, so these are all the valid time frames from Yahoo. So I remove the 10 minutes here. So let's execute. You'll see a lot of noise here. Print statements. I don't want to print this also. This is coming from print percentages. Because when you execute for one stock, it is clear. But when you execute for multiple stocks, the output will be more. You see, time frame 1 minute. You don't care about this because you will not understand now what time it was buying. But if you go and down, statistics, 57 trades. This is 1 minute. We have already seen it. Let's see for the second. What is the second time frame? 5 minutes. Okay. So this returns is for 1 minute. Let's see. This is why I printed star 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 so that I know this is from here another time frame strategy. Okay. Let's come down. 5 minutes. You have very less trades, and it is 1.9% profitable. Compare. Okay. If you see the same statistics for total returns over 57 trades is minus 0.03% in 1 minute time frame, but in 5 minutes time frame you have 1.9%. Okay, maybe my calculation is wrong. Don't believe my calculations. This is for just for learning. Okay, let's see time frame 15 minutes. 15 minutes total returns. Total in 15 minutes only three trades happen from February 7th. You can see from 7th to 11th. Okay, 2% gain. You see the time frame, the more you see the gain ratio is more. Okay, let's see for 30 minutes. Oh my god, 30 minutes. You see, it's 30 minutes. This strategy is not good for 30 minutes. Maybe other strategy is good. Okay, only because only one trade is there. If you wanted to test, you can test for daily time frame also. That is up to you. So I finished back testing. Any doubts? If there is no doubts, I'll start Zerodha. How to get the data from Zerodha? Any doubts?
No, how we can get the? Is there any possibility to get the open interest? Only stock data. I mean, data only we can get.
From Zerodha?
No, no, no. From here also, anything, anywhere is fine.
From Yahoo, uh, if it is available, you can get it, but I don't know it's available or not. 38,000, not this one. Where is it? 38,900. If you have information data here in Yahoo Finance, you can get it. Otherwise, you cannot get it.
Okay, no issue. Thank you.
Okay, let's go to Zerodha. Zerodha, I can explain here in the Python notebook here itself. But somebody requested that he wanted to see from PyCharm. So what is PyCharm? Okay, let's come with PyCharm. Now, till now we have seen how to write a code in a notebook, right? In a cloud. This is for practice. You see, it will be because this will be good. You don't need to install Python in your laptop. You don't need to install packages. Nothing. Anywhere you go office, you go to college, or anywhere you can open this notebook and you can continue your work. It will be simple. It will be there forever. But when you go for live testing, or you have to develop a big project, you cannot do it here. It's not that much convenient. Or if something is goes wrong, you cannot debug it. So you have several development environments, okay, where you can write your code. So you come here, Google, and type. It can be Python or Java, anything. It is called IDE. integrated development environment. Okay, for Python, id for Python, if you type here you will see so many. See, first one is directly from Python, second one is PyCharm, it's from JetBrains, and Spider, it's from Anaconda, At Atom. So you have different. So for me, I use PyCharm because it is I feel convenient. It gives when you type anything df dot, if you type dot because you wanted to know exponential moving average or EMA, right? So it displays for you autocomplete methods. So it will be easy. Development will be easy. So somebody asked me to show me this in PyCharm, so I'll show it here in PyCharm. If anybody is using any other IDE, I recommend you to go to PyCharm. Okay, it will be uh, convenient. Now you want examples. Okay. Once this class is finished, I will give you this Saha Connect 1.0.0 point. This wheel you have to install this. Actually, to connect from Python to Zerodha, you have to download their package. Okay, from here Python Zerodha Kite Connect. Okay, this one. Type here. You come here. You have a Python package here. Pip install. See. Pip install. This is what we did when we install for Yahoo Finance. Pip install Yahoo Finance we did. Same thing you have to do. Pip install Kite Connect. If you do this, you can execute a you can get the data from Zerodha, you can place orders, modify, cancel, and everything. Open interest, everything. You can get it. But to use this API, you have to pay 2,000 to place orders, and to get a historical data, you need to pay 2 more thousand. Total, you need to pay 4,000. Okay. So to avoid this, this is source code. I got it from here. This is the source code. Okay. I got it from here, and I modified the source code, and I created my own package. This package is here. Okay. You need to install pip install Saha Connect. That's it. It can be cloud or your local machine. It's fine. Once you install, or I will show you. I will show how to install also if you want to. I'll open command prompt here. I hope you can see my desktop. Okay. Python. Whether I have Python. I have Python. Okay. Control C. Good. You need to install Python. Control set.